Dear Josh, hey yo, your aunt was so cool that she signed you up for this wrestling exchange just for you. She thinks you're pretty special. As a fellow wrestling fan, I was more than happy to help her out. I sent you a bunch of goodies for you to play with and hopefully continue to enjoy for years to come. About me, well, I'm a lady who grew up watching wrestling on a black and white TV. My favorite wrestlers are Jake the Snake Roberts, the Ultimate Warrior, and Sheamus, Natalya and Roman Reigns, and Sting. Here are some funny stories that I have. When I was your age, I went outside to play and found a garden snake. I grabbed a paper bag from the porch and put it in the bag. I then went into the house where my mom was doing dishes and loudly exclaimed, "I'm Jake the Snake Roberts," as I held the snake in my hand. My mom screamed, dropped the plate she was washing, breaking it on the floor, and immediately told me to get that thing out of the house now. Yeah, that was the last time I liked snakes. The second one is when I was your age. I loved the Ultimate Warrior. His energy was contagious. I had enough energy to last a lifetime back then. Watching him shake the ropes when he got in the ring was so exciting. So I just thought I'd try it myself on my mom's clothesline. That's where they hang clothes to dry. Do not try this at home. I'd get a ladder out with my sister's help, shake the ropes, just like the Warrior did. Let's just say there were 2 less clotheslines on the line, and I had to help with that laundry for a few months after that. She got in trouble. Luckily, thanks to the internet, Twitter, I was able to tell this story to Warrior before he passed away. He replied, "I will treasure those comments from him for a long time. Your aunt tells me you like the Big Show, Mark Henry. I like them too. I have talked to Big Show before, and he's the nicest, sweetest person around. Not like his character you see on TV. I've heard the same about Mark Henry too. He has kids of his own, just around his age. We saw his kids, remember? Before WrestleMania? Well, Josh, I've got to get this sent out so you can enjoy all your goodies by Easter. Keep watching wrestling, have fun, and remember, don't try any of the moves you see on the TV at home. Sincerely, Miss Pauline Bonin, Dr. Clooney from Reddit Gifts." That was so nice that she sent you all those nice things. Say thank you again.
Thank you. Good.